Place value drawings within 100 to add. Day 3. Grab your whiteboard or your notebook and let's get started. Just quickly write down the number you see. 57. Nice. And write down that number. 84. Notice when I organize them with the 50 and a 30, you don't need to count. You can just see what it is with your eyes. Good job. All right, let's get started drawing them and adding them. Remember, pause, and then come back when you finished. 10, 20, 30, 40, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6, 7, 8, leave a space. Line up your 30 underneath your 40. You have a 6, so do a 5 and a 1. Nice job. As you look at it, can you see the answer? I hope so. So 40 plus 30 equals 70 plus, 5 and 5 is 10. Great job on finding that 10. And then your extras are 3 plus 1 is 4. 70 plus 10 is 80, plus 4 is 84. Great job. 59, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. A 9 is a 5, and leave a space and a 4. Since there's not a 50 group in that 20, but there weren't any extras in that 50 up there, I'm just going to put the 20 right underneath the 50. Now there's not a 5 group in that 4, so I'm just going to draw it right there. So 50 plus 20 equals 70. I'm going to find that 5 and a 4, and I need one more. So there's a 10 plus an extra 3 is 83. Now, let me show you something you could do. If I had that 5 and a 4, and then that extra, when I have that 4, it is nice to remember that a 4 can also be a 5 minus 1. So watch, I could draw a 5 and minus 1 up there. Do you see how that works? I kind of like that, but it is a little trickier, but there's that same 10 and 3 that we had right there. Just another idea if your brain likes that. 70 plus 10 is 80, plus 3 equals 83. 16, 10, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space and put your 6. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space, and 6. There's my 50. 5 and 5 makes 10. And there's 2 left over. So 50 plus 10 equals 60, plus 2 equals 62. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a space. 6, 7, 8. Leave a space. 40 is 10, 20, 30, 40. And 4, so I'm going to come over and leave a space there. 30 plus 40 is 70. This 5 is going to come over here and get a 3 and a 2. Make sure you can see that you got 2 of them, but that you left 2 of them. Let's try what I showed you a minute ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a space. Again, this is just another way to show it. So remember, if I have a 4 over here, a 4 can be just a 4, or it could be a 5 minus a 1. But I'm going to choose to minus that one so that I can have that 5 and 5, which is right there, my 10, and my 2 leftovers, which is right there. 70 plus 10 is 80, plus 2 equals 82. Again, decide which way makes sense to you, and then do it that way. All right, 77 plus 19. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6, 7. Now we have a 19, so I'm going to put that 10 underneath the 20. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, leave a space. There I now have a 50, plus a 20 is 70, plus 10 is 80. Oh, 5 and 5 is 10. Love it when I can see that 10. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 80 plus 10 is 90, plus 6 is 96. 45 plus 16. I hope you're pausing and doing all the work before you come back and watch to see if you have it right. 10, 20, 30, 40, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 10, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space, and 6. So we have 40 plus 10 is 50. 5 and 5 is 10. And your extra 1 equals 61. All right, 28. Now as I look at that 60, there's a 50 group there. So I'm going to leave a space so I know it will line up with my extras. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6, 7, 8. And a 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space, and line up that 60 underneath the 20. Now your 3, you can put over here, or you can do what we've talked about in the last couple slides ago, and think of a 3 as a 5 minus a 2. Then you have that 10 group. So if you like that, great, go ahead and do that. I'm going to come back though and just put it right over here. But you choose. That's what I love about this, is I can do what makes sense for my brain, and you can do what makes sense for your brain. So 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 20 is 80. I do want to find another 5 group, so there's a 3 and a 2. So there's just 1 left over. So 80 plus 10 plus 1 equals 91. Nice job today, boys and girls. Keep up the great work.